Howdy, today I will be showing you how to set up a Linksys E2300 router. The objective is to access the router setup menu, name the router, set up a password, and block certain devices' access to the network. After you have connected your router to the modem, you then need to open up your internet browser and enter in the default internal IP address to the router. Cisco normally is 192.168.1.1. Once you have sent that, it will prompt you with this window where you need to enter in your name and your password. So the default is the name is admin and the default password is just blank if you haven't set up your network, but since I've already set up mine, I have to go ahead and once that goes through, it will immediately show you to the setup page. This is where you will name your router. Here underneath network setup, it is clearly stated router name. You will then change the router name and be able to create your own. Mine is network pres because I'm doing a presentation. And after every change that you make, always save your settings. After you name your router, you then need to go to the wireless tab. And under here, it will show you that you have two different type of speeds. You then need to go to wireless security sub-tab. This is where you enter in your password for your router. Mine is Aggies 2016. You can name yours whatever you want. Just try to make sure that no one could guess it. Once you enter in your password, always save the changes. The next thing is the guest access. Here is the tab where you'll be able to allow guests to access a network, and you can change their password to whatever you want, and also limit the number of guests allowed to access the network. If you decide to enable this, always make sure to save your settings. After that, we have wireless MAC filtering. This is a really neat tool because it allows the user to block MAC addresses. For example, if I enable this, I can prevent certain MAC addresses from being able to use my network. To do this, you have to click Wireless Client List, and it will bring up this window. You then select whichever device you want to disconnect and connect. As you can see, this one's disconnected because I don't want it to be able to access my network. All you have to do is click Add, and it adds that device MAC address to the MAC list. Once you finish this, like everything else, you just save the settings and they won't be able to use the network. Next is the administration password. So go to the administrations tab, and once here, this is where we enter in the router password. This is to allow only you to be able to access your router. You don't want anybody else to just put in admin in blank space because then they can get into your router and change your password to your router so you can't access your own network, and that wouldn't be good. So enter in the password you wish, and once you're done with that, save settings. I hope this video has helped with your setup for your Cisco Lynx E3200 router. My name was Amanda Hull, and thank you for watching.